Hello everyone, welcome back you all in our online classes. Dear students, I am here with class 10th mathematics, chapter number 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variables, and today we are going to start exercise 3.5. Okay, so students, before to start this new exercise 3.5, we need to discuss the third algebraic method for solving pair of linear equations in two variables, and the name of this method is cross multiplication method. So we will discuss today cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So dear students, in this method we have to solve a pair of linear equations. So a pair of linear equations is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So in this method we will write here as x, y and 1, and it will start from b1 b2, c1 c2, a1 a2 and b1 b2. You have to remember this diagram for applying this method. And now from here you will write x upon this minus this into this, b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Okay, and further similarly y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, so we have to solve first part and third part to get the value of x, and you have to solve second part and third part to get the value of y. So this is our cross multiplication method. Now let us start exercise. Question number 1 is given. Which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solutions, no solution, and have infinitely many solutions? Okay, so we have given here four parts of first question, which are pair of linear equations. So we have to check whether they have unique solution, no solution, or many solutions. Okay, and in case if there is a unique solution, we have to find its solution by cross multiplication method. Okay, so let us solve first question, first part. Okay, first part is given x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. So here, to check whether it has unique solution, no solution, or many solution, we have to find the ratio of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, and we have to check their relationship, right? So here, first of all, a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 9, which is equal to 1 upon 3, कैंसिल हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, and c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2, which is equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore, it implies a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, because A1 upon A2 is 1 upon 3, B1 upon B2 is 1 upon 3, but C1 upon C2 is 3 upon 2, and which implies, here you can write since, which implies the given pair of, which implies a pair of linear equation, the pair of linear equations has no solution. Okay, so we have no need to solve it further. Okay, now second question. Question number 2. Remaining other 3 parts you have to do by yourself. Question number 2 is given. Question number 2 is given. For which values of A and B does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? Okay, so what are given equations? A part, first part we will solve, part 1. Okay, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and A minus B, x plus A plus B into y is equal to 3A plus B minus 2. Okay, now first of all we will bring this 7 and 3A plus B minus 2 this side, or we can write them as 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and A minus B x plus A plus B y, ये सब यहाँ से इस तरफ आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर प्लस का है, यहाँ पर माइनस का हो जाएगा, माइनस 3A प्लस B minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now here we have given that it has infinitely many solutions. Since we can write for many solutions, we will have A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. Right? So what is A1? It is 2 upon this. So 2 upon A minus B is equal to 3 upon A plus B is equal to minus 7 upon minus 3A plus B minus 2. Okay? On solving this part, first, second and third. Okay? On solving first and third part, on solving first and third, 2 upon A minus B will be equal to, it will be equal to माइनस से माइनस से कैंसिल हो जाएगा हमारे पास. ओके, एंड वी विल गेट 7 upon 3A प्लस B minus 2. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे यहाँ पर, तो 3 2 जा 6A प्लस 2B minus 4 is equal to 7A minus 7B. ओके, इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे इसको, तो ये बन जाएगा मेरे पास माइनस A प्लस 9B माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो ये मेरे पास बन गया फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. ओके, 6a minus 7a will be here minus a, and 2b plus 7b 9b, and 2 to the minus 4 as it is, right? Similarly, on solving second and third, 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, it will be here 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b, right? So 9a minus 7a 2a, 3b minus 7b minus का 4b एंड माइनस का 6 इक्वल टू 0। यहाँ पर हम 2 ले सकते हैं कॉमन लेने पर मेरे पास हो जाएगा a माइनस 2b माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0। मेरे पास इक्वेशन बन गया a माइनस 2b माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0। और इसको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ले लेते हैं, इसको सेकंड इक्वेशन लेते हैं, राइट? बाय यूजिंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड, अब यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखना है कि किस ढंग से हमें ये मेथड यूज करना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड। बाय यूजिंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड, तो यहाँ वेरिएबल्स हमारे पास आ गए a और b, वेरिएबल a, b एंड 1। अब यहाँ पर -1 एंड 1, सॉरी b1 b2 था हमारे पास, तो 9 और -2, 9 -2, c1 c2 -4 and -3, -4 and -3, a1 a2 -1 and 1, okay, -1 and 1, and again b1 b2 9 and -2. Now a upon 9 3 -27 minus this माइनस यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 4 to 8 इज इक्वल टू b अपॉन -4 और यहाँ पर माइनस का 3, बिकॉज -3 इंटू -1 यहाँ पर हो गया +3 और माइनस फॉर्मूले से आ गया यहाँ पर, इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन प्लस का 2 माइनस का 9। तो यहाँ पर फाइनली मेरे पास आ गया a अपॉन -35 is equal to b upon -7 is equal to 1 upon -7. 2 minus 9 is -7. Similarly, on solving first, second and third, ये पढ़ा था हमने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड में, this minus this, okay, ये मेथड था हमारे पास क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड। On solving first and third, on solving first and third, on solving first and third, we will get a upon -35, a upon -35 is equal to 1 upon -7, and finally the value of a is 5. Okay, and on solving second and third, b upon -7 is equal to 1 upon -7, माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो गया, b is equal to 1. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1 is the required value of a and b. Okay, second part of this question you have to do by yourself. And what is third question? Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication method. दोनों मेथड से आपने इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, you will also do by yourself. And if you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask me on WhatsApp. That's all.